All right, good morning. We're going to go over how we took a morning trade today and ended up with $875 of profit on one NASDAQ contract. So off the open, we built a high right at 932 at 17,121. And I'm looking for that high to get taken out before I move lower. My larger time frame targets down there, that green line at 17,086, and then I have targets down at 17,071. But I'm expecting this high to get taken right here, which it does, right as I take this long. And then as soon as it takes that, I've satisfied that target higher. So if it wants to run away, that'll be a larger trade. If not, I'm gonna look for it to fail and then go lower and take out the low of the morning down there at 17,088. That's my first target that I drew right there at 27. I don't expect it to get hit. I expect it to fail here, and the short is the better trade. But on the slight chance I am wrong, I'm willing to take a break-even trade. So there's my break-even stop getting hit. And so now I also have some other trades that I'm calling. So I'm going to go ahead and take this short. I'm going to take it off screen, but I'll pull up the order summary once the trade is done. I called it that alert long on the Discord, and then since I had to flip the position, I didn't send out the alert on this one, but it was called out in the trading room. So now we're going to expect this price to start failing into those bright blue lines at 02s and 96s. We really shouldn't see any more movement higher. And I can speed this up a little bit. We'll speed this up. All right, so there's our follow through to those lows right there. You see I set an alert down there. That's going to remind me to move my stop to break even. I believe my entry on this short was 17,013. So it shouldn't even come back to my entry at 13 right there. It may go all the way up to 19, but I was fairly confident that we should see an aggressive move lower right here. And we really shouldn't give too much opportunity for people to figure out that we're going lower and get short. I believe this is trying to catch everyone off guard right now, which means that it's not going to give them an opportunity to get out of their unprofitable long right now. It's just going to hunt for their stop lower. So you notice how it touched that double bottom right there. Just got in front of that low. And then immediately turns around and sweeps straight through it. And then so I took a long this morning on those two gray lines at 88 to 89, and I covered when we hit new highs on the morning. And then I turned around and went short, you know, just as I explained. So there were two trades this morning, one long, one short. So I really don't have a preference on what I'm going to do. I can just read it as it prints price and trade accordingly. So now I have my larger time frame target down there at 71, which is a target from yesterday that I believe that it should roll right into. And there you go, a complete landslide into that zone down there. So 71's traded right there, straight through it. So there's your trade for the day. So as you can see, I took that long this morning. It lasted 36 seconds. I made $380 in that. Dropped down to a half size. And it took looks like a long right there as well. And then once that long failed, like I showed you, I turned around, went short, made $420 in about 7 minutes. So roughly 45 minutes of trading today, and we made $892. That's all.